Hi guys, today I will be showing you how you can go about creating a foreign currency account with NCB. Don't be intimidated or anything like that. It's fairly a straightforward process. Alright, so once you're logged in, towards the right section of the screen, there's a sidebar that says quick links. Within this sidebar, there is a list of links. So from these links, we're gonna go ahead and select new account. It will take you to a new tab. So here you're gonna go ahead and select let's go. You will then be asked to sign in so that you can access the onboarding dashboard. So go ahead and sign in. Also guys, please be reminded or be aware that NCB has a no link policy. So what that means is that they don't send their users any link. So once you receive a link saying it's from NCB, whether it be in your email or by SMS, do not click on it. So on this screen, there will be a list of options. From the options, we're going to go ahead and select open a bank account. Here, we're going to go ahead and select foreign currency savings. So you'll be able to see the 4 different currencies that NCB offers. There is USD for the US dollars. There is GBP, which is for the British pound. There is EUR, which is for the euro dollars, and of course CAD for the Canadian dollars. So we will be using USD, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Alright, so after selecting the US currency, there is a note to say please note minimum opening balance for an USD foreign currency account is $100. What this means is that once you select that you are going to be opening a US savings account, you are required to deposit a minimum of $100 to get that account open. Now this is the same or true for any of the other currencies that you'd like to use. So if you are using the British pound or the euro dollar or the Canadian dollar, you are also required to have a minimum balance of $100 in that chosen currency. Alright, so once you choose the currency that you'd like to get the account open in, you're gonna go ahead and select open account. No guys, I'm not gonna go ahead and select open account because I already have a US account, so I don't want a second one to be opened. But once you select that option, the account will be open instantaneously.